strawberry. Ayan, hello. Okay, kids, come here, kids. Follow tayo kilala dyan. Yan, very good naman. Hi! Ayan yung mga kids po natin. Give mo na tayo kilala dyan. Say hi na lang po. Hi! Ayan, good job naman. Okay, pwede po hawakan yung pagod po nilala dyan po, ah. Ayan, sa mga kids po na nandito po sa fourth corner. And, strike, learner area, vocal area, we are inviting kids to join our sports game. Say hi po to Lala Chan, everyone. Hi po. Ayan, okay kids, pwede na po tayo bumalik po sa ating event area. Punta po tayo doon. Yes, okay, hi. Okay, let's go, let's go. Give way po tayo kay Lala Chan. Yan, very good. Follow tayo sa likod po tayo kay Lala Chan po. Sa likod tayo. Good job naman ang ating mga kids. Hi! Ayan, okay, wait lang po Lala Chan. Here we go, so. Ayan, okay, nandito na ba lahat ng ating mga kids sa gitna? Okay, so hindi pa po, magbibilang po nga ng 10 seconds. Kailangan lahat ng kids nandito na po sa ating event area. Okay, start na po ako magbilang. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, nandito na ba lahat? Yung mga kids namin dyan sa trampoline and vocal area, hello! Punta na po tayo dito sa ating event area. Okay, kids, arms sideward. Okay, look kayo kay Lala Chan. Nag-arms sideward si Lala Chan. Okay, arms sideward po tayo. Arms sideward. Yan, very good. Okay, good job naman. Look kayo kay Lala Chan po. Paano ba mo arms sideward, Lala Chan? Yan, good job ang ating mga kids. Okay, kids, arms down. Arms down na po. Okay, hi! Okay, isa pa, hi! And very good. Nag-enjoy ba kayo sa kids doon na? Nag-enjoy ba? Yes, okay. Excited na ba kayo sa ating games? Excited po ba? Yes, okay. Before tayo mag-start, papapakilala mo na po ang event team. My name is Ate Percy. I'm your host for today. And kasama ko po si Ate Job. Say hi to Ate Job. Hi! Okay. And kasama po natin si Ate Annie Labak. Say hi to Ate Ann. Hi! And our special guest na lovely and bubbly na si Lala Chan. Say hi to Lala Chan. Hi, Lala! Very good naman. Okay, kids. Sino po marunong sumayaw dito? Taas ating kamay. Ayan, okay. Marunong na sumayaw, okay? Dahil dyan, meron pong warm-up dance po si Lala Chan. Sabayan po natin si Lala Chan na sumayaw ng kanyang warm-up dance. Okay, look lang kayo kay Lala Chan kung paano sumayaw. Okay po ba? Yes. Okay, Ate Ann, ready na po ang ating music? Okay, kids, march po ating march, march. Yan. Good job. Okay, ready, march. Okay, go, go. Good job. Okay, banana cha-cha. Then, shake your body. Say again. Then, shake, shake, shake. Okay, then turn around. Okay, sway your pass, sway. Then, yung. Okay, again, sway. Then, sway. Okay, sit down muna po. Ready na ba kayo, kids? Yes. Okay. Alam niyo po ba yung games po natin? Okay, stop po na. Taas po ating kamay. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Good job. Okay, nakikita niyo po ba ito dito? Okay. Okay, reminders lang po yung mga parents po natin. Dito lang po tayo sa gilid. Ma'am, excuse lang po muna po tayo. Okay, bigyan po natin po na tayo po ating natin sa maglaro po today. Okay? Okay, nakikita niyo ba ito? Yes. Okay, ano ito sa gitna? Anong kulay? Red. Okay, meron tayong root and then the marker. And then, ang unang gagawin po, maghila po si Ate Jack at Ate Ann. Ang ganito. Pag yung ring po, pag yung marker natin sa punta kay Ate Ann ang pagganito, magkakaroon po ako ng 1 to 15. Pag yung marker natin nag-stay kay Ate Ann, ibig sabihin po, panalo si Ate Ann. Okay, kids, listen mo na. Listen mo na. Hi! Okay, listen mo na. Okay, yung marker na mapupunta kay Ate Jack na pagganito. Ayan. And then, magkakaroon po ako ng 1 to 15. Pag yung marker is nag-stay kay Ate Jack, ibig sabihin po, panalo si Ate Jack. Okay, naintindihan po ba? Naintindihan po ba? Okay. Okay, kids, meron po tayong safety reminders. Ano yung lalachan? No pushing, no running, hold the rope firmly and enjoy our games. Okay, are you ready? Ready? Okay, group yourself into 12. Okay, kids, go! Group yourself into 12. Bilang na po ako ng 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Nakagrupo na po ba? Dapat po mauna po yun ang mga maliliit na bata. Kaya mauna. Okay, arms forward. Arms forward. Okay, 2 lines po tayo. 2 lines. Okay, arms forward. Here. Ate ka here. Okay, arms forward. Very good naman. Okay, hands up, hands up. Hands up muna. Okay, sila Ate Ann lang po na Ate Jack ang mag-support ng dalawang grupo. Yeah, good job. Okay, okay na ba? Okay, sa side ko ni Ate Ann, kayo po ang hands down, hands down. Hands down, good job. Okay, kids, listen muna. Sa side ko ni Ate Ann, kayo po ang Team A. Anong team po kayo, kids? A. Okay, dito naman kay Ate Jack, kayo po ang Team B. Anong team po kayo? Anong team po? C. Okay, good job. Okay, wait na muna yung marker natin. Hands up muna yung Team A. Okay, ito yung marker sa gitna. Okay, ready? Everyone, hold the rope. Nahawak na po ba? Nakahawak na? Okay. Okay, yung mga parents po natin, reminders, sa gilid lang po muna tayo. Sa gilid po na po tayo, ma'am. Excuse me lang po, sa gilid lang po muna tayo. Okay, ma'am? Uso muna po tayo doon po. Ayan. Labas muna po tayo sa ating event. Okay, ready? Okay, kids, 4 on 1. Are you ready? Wala Last dance, ang favorite dance po nila, Chan, na Love is a Treasure. Okay muna yung maliliit. Okay, arms sideward. Okay, look kayo kay Lala Chan. Look kayo kay Lala Chan. Nag-arms sideward po si Lala Chan. Okay, arms sideward and then arms down. Okay, good job. Down na yung kamay natin. Down na, down. Okay, ready na ba kayo sumayaw? Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Yes. Okay, Ate Ann, ready na ang ating music. Okay, kids, taas sa ating kamay. Hands up. Okay, down. Okay, up. Then, march. Left, side, side, and march. Okay, up. Then, march. Left, side, side, and okay, shake your head. Then wait. Wait. Then shoulders. Head. Right up. Then wait. Okay, make a big circle. Then reach. Then march. Okay, hands up. Then wait. Okay, point. And point to the left. Okay. Right, bow your head and gawin sa likod. And then turn around. Okay, now. That's very good. Right, side and okay, good job. Clap your hands. Okay, kids, sit down na po tayo po. Sit down. Ayan, sit down po tayo, kids. Dahil this time, mamimigay na po si Lala Chan ng giveaway. Gusto niyo po ba ng giveaway? Yes. Okay, lahat po tayo mabibigyan ng giveaway. Okay, kids, ha? Sit down lang po tayo. Pag mag-open yung ating box, sit down lang po tayo po, ha? Okay, very good. Okay, kids, mag-open lang yung box natin. Pag sumigaw po kayo ng open. Kailangan malakas ko, ha? Okay, ready? Then, 3, 2, 1. Okay na, isa pa na. Kailangan sabay-sabay. Okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1. And, okay, open. Ayan, sit down lang tayo. Taas sa ating kamay. Hands up, and then sit down. Sit down po, sit down. Sit down po tayo lahat. Sit down po. Okay, sit down po, sit down. Yan, very good. Okay, taas na po ang ating kamay para po lahat ay mabibigyan ng ating giveaway. Okay, hands up, sit down lang po tayo. Sit down lang. Sit down po, sit down. Okay, sit down po yung mga kids na natin dyan. Sit down po kuya, ate. Okay, sit down po tayo, sit down po, sit down. Okay po, thank you so much. Okay, kids, taas ating balloon. Wait po natin. Oh, here. Good, right? Yan, good job. Sit down. Sit down first. Good job. Okay, kids. Excuse na po muna tayo po. Ayan, labas muna po tayo ng ating event. Alright, thank you so much po. Okay, kids. Gusto niyo ba ng picture taking? Yes. Okay. Listen po na kay Ate Francis po ang ating balloon. Ayan, good job. Okay, kids. Pag sinabi ko po, Kizuna, ang isisigaw niyo po, hooray. Kailangan malakas po, ha? Okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1, Kizuna! Ayan, okay, mommies and daddies, give her Okay, excuse mo na po, dadaan mo na po si Lala Chan. Ano yan, Lala Chan? Okay,